Yo, what's going on everybody? It's LJ back at Russ Darrow Kia. Today I'm going to be testing some of my coworkers, asking how many vehicles was the most that they've sold in a single day. So let's look into it. Yo, Bernie.
What up?
Hey, what's the most amount of cars that you sold in a single day?
In one day, we're up to four.
Four?
Four.
That boy a machine. Look at
Hey,
him.
come get one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, bet.
Come get two.
Two of them. Yo, what up, Zabin?
What up, what up?
Hey, what's the most amount of cars you sold in a day?
Three.
Three? He pulled a Hattie.
Three.
Hey, JP.
Oh, yes.
Hey, what was the most amount of cars you sold in a day, brother?
That would be four.
Whoa, look at him. JP
Yeah.
selling 4 cars.
That's right.
All right, Rio, when you were selling cars, what's the most amount of cars you sold in a day?
Man, the most I've ever done was 4.
4? That's strong. That's respectable. Steve, what about you?
6.
That boy's a beast. I only sold 4. I ain't on his level yet.
Yeah.
Not yet.
You'll get there.
Yeah.